Hello YouTubers, this is Dead Simple Ali with another video. In this video I will be unboxing the King Kong ET series quadcopter kit. I bought these on Banggood for around £11.99 UK pounds sterling. They come in three different models, 100, 115 and 125. The content and the design are the same, the only difference is the size. The ET100 has a wheelbase of 100 mm and weighs in at 28.3 grams. The ET115 has a wheelbase of 115 mm and weighs in at 31.9 grams. And the ET125 has a wheelbase of 105 mm and weighs in at 37.7 grams. In this video, I will be unboxing the ET125 kit only, as the rest of them are the same. So let's go ahead and open the box. In each of these boxes, we get a number of bags. In the first bag, we have some zip ties and rubber bands for holding the battery. In the second bag, we have the 2.8 inches prop guards, and we also get some propellers. In the third bag, we have the canopy, and we also get 3 retaining screws. In the fourth bag, we have the bottom plate, as well as the anti-skid adhesive foam for the battery. Let's go ahead and open all of these bags. In this bag, we get 4 prop guards, which are black in color, and they look very sturdy and very strong. We also get a bag of M2 number 7 screws to attach the motors to the frame. We have another bag with propellers inside. Let's take them out and have a look. So we get 4 clockwise propellers, 2 in yellow and 2 in white. We also get 4 anti-clockwise propellers, again 2 in yellow and 2 in white, and some M2 number 8 screws to secure the propellers. And that's all we get in each of these kits. You can choose your own motors, flight controller, ESC, receiver, camera, and a VTX to build your own quad. Thank you very much for watching the video. You can leave the comments in the section below, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Take care and bye.